How's it going? Conor here from Train Like a Warrior, and on today's video I'm going to be following alongside with you with this killer 6-minute 6-pack ab blasting workout that you can perform absolutely anywhere. This workout is took from my Train Like a Warrior app, which is designed to help you get into the best shape and the best health of your life. So if you're interested, click the link below and check it out. But once again, get ready and let's smash this workout. So we're going to kick off this 6-minute 6-pack ab only workout with the very first exercise, which is going to be a V crunch. And before we set the timer, I'm going to showcase how to perform the exercise. So I want you to lie back like so, and I want you to keep your legs out straight and focus on bringing your knees right up into your chest like so, okay? Now if this exercise gets too difficult for you, you can place your hands to the side and just kick out and in like so, okay? So exercise number 1 is going to be the V crunch. A 10-second countdown starts now, and then we get ready to smash this workout. First exercise, V crunch. So you want to focus on bringing the knees right up towards the chest. Try to keep going for the whole 40 seconds, and then you have a 20-second rest in between each movement. Nearly there, 10 seconds remaining. Okay, exercise number 2 is going to be plank get-ups. Into your plank position like so. You just want to get up and down as quickly as you can. Okay, once again, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest. Get ready, we're going 5 seconds. So get into your plank position. Okay, away you go. Try to keep that back as straight as possible. Halfway, 20 seconds. Ten seconds remaining. Keep the intensity. Okay, good work. Exercise number 3 is going to be window wipers. So you're lying back, keeping your legs up, and going down to one side, and then right down to the opposite side. Brilliant movement for your obliques. Going on 5 seconds. So lying back, keeping the legs up, going down to one side, and then up and round to the opposite side. If you have any pain in your lower back, you can place your hands underneath your hips. Seconds remaining, halfway there. Three seconds remaining. Okay, brilliant work. Moving on, next exercise is mountain climbers. So position yourself like this, up into your high push-up position, and just going in and out like that. Okay, you can go as slowly as you want, or if you really want to push yourself, go as quickly as you can. Okay, get ready, 40 seconds, all out. Try to bring those knees right up in towards the chest. Keep it going. 10 seconds remaining. Okay, next one is going to be your toe touches. So all you want to do is keep your legs up as high as you can and come up and touch your toes like so. Okay, if it's too difficult, you can put a wee bend in your legs and just come up like a crunch. Get ready. Exercise number 5. Time to come up, touch your toes. If it's too difficult, get into your normal crunch position, just try to keep it going. Ooh, 10 seconds remaining. Okay, last exercise. All I want you to do is to lie back, hold your legs out straight, like that, okay, for 40 seconds. And try not to let them touch the ground. And this is it, this is the last exercise, let's do it. Get ready, in 3, 2, 1. Keep the legs out straight and do not let them touch the ground. If it's too difficult, place your hands underneath your hips to add that wee bit of modification. Just keep it going. Do not let those legs touch the ground. This is the last exercise. Throw the breathing, nearly there. There it is, team. There's your 6-minute only 6-pack ab workout complete. Good work. So team, there it is. There's your killer 6-minute 6-pack ab blasting workout complete. If you enjoyed this workout and you want to see more videos just like this, please be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Once again, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Click on the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos. And if you have any workout suggestions or any videos you would like to see, leave a comment below. And if you're looking to work personally alongside with me so I can help you get into the absolute best shape and best health for life, check out my brand new Train Like a Warrior transformation app. Click the link below and become a member today. But once again, thanks for checking out the video. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.